Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to walk you through step by step on how you can invest in Mudrex platform. Mudrex is an automated trading platform where you can invest in a trader's strategy and make consistent profits over time based on the performance of that strategy. This right here on the invest page of Mudrex is a list of various strategies that you can invest in. In my last video, I pointed out various parameters that influences my choice of strategy. I pointed out the performance score of that strategy, the number of investors currently using that strategy, and also the total returns that the strategy has made over a period of time. Now, these three parameters are very helpful to me in picking a good strategy to invest in. Right now, in this video, we are going to select a strategy, and I am going to show you how to connect your exchange with Mudrex so you can be able to profit from this strategy. Before I start, I would like to say this is not financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research on platforms like Mudrex before investing into any strategy. Now let's continue. To find a strategy to invest in, we would have to scroll down and look for a good performing strategy that has been working over a period of time, that we can put money into it and realize some profit over a period of time. In this video, I think this VET maximizer is a very good strategy to invest in. As you can see, it has a performance score of 8 and has over 200 investors in this strategy right now. Also, you can see that the total returns is 101.99%. Now, this is over a period of 156 days. I really like this strategy. Now let's go ahead and click on the VET maximizer. This is the information about the strategy. You can scroll down to find more information about this strategy. The monthly fee using this strategy is 1.5% of your initial investment. I am going to walk you through exactly how this works in this video. So we can further scroll down and see more information about this strategy. This is the live performance of this strategy. You can also see the backtested performance of this strategy. It is good to consider all this information before investing in a strategy. When this strategy was backtested, it had a return of over 800%. You can see that this strategy has a good backtested result. So I like what I'm seeing right here. All these are the trades made by this strategy. As you can see that the last trade was around 11th of July. So I like all this information I'm seeing here, and this is the kind of strategy I would like to invest in. Right now, let me show you how I am going to connect my exchange with Mudrex and start investing in this strategy. Now let's scroll up. For me to start investing, I would have to click on the portfolio icon right here and click on Connect Exchange. Now this is how it's going to look like. What I would have to do now is to go over to my exchange, which is Binance, and create an API key. Now this is my Binance homepage. For me to create an API key, I would have to click on the profile icon right here. Then I would have to scroll down to API management right here. This is where you would be able to create an API key. First of all, let's give this API key a name. I am going to name it New Mudrex. This is going to be the name of my new API key, and I'll go ahead and create API. I had to confirm this action. So when you are creating an API key, Binance would ask you to confirm your action. Once you've confirmed your action, your API key would be created. This is my newly created API key. As you can see, New Mudrex. Once you've created your new API key, you would also be given a secret key. Now you're going to need your API key and your secret key when you want to connect your Binance exchange to Mudrex. You can see that there are different API restrictions right here. You should not enable withdrawal. Make sure it is not ticked at all. Only give access to enable reading, and also your money stays in your exchange when you are connecting your API key from Binance to Mudrex. Also, in this video, I am going to show you a second option of how you can invest in a strategy without putting your API key. First of all, let's go over this. For you to know exactly what to tick in these boxes, let's go over to Mudrex and see the strategy we are investing in. We want to know if we are investing in a spot trading strategy or a futures trading strategy. Now let's go over to Mudrex. This is the strategy I want to invest in right now, the VET maximizer. You would see that this strategy is on Binance futures. That means this strategy is for futures trading. So what I would do is that I would head over to Binance and tick enable futures. What this means is that I am giving permission for this strategy to place trades on futures. So I would go ahead and tick this. That is all you need to do right here. The next thing is to save this API key. Once you've saved the API key, then we can go ahead and add this newly created API key to Mudrex. Now, where it says add API key, I would go ahead and add this. For our strategy, we are going to use the Binance features. Select Binance features right here. I am also going to call this new Mudrex. Now, this is the name I would give this API key. I will go ahead and click on next. Now, these are the steps to adding an API key. As you can see, we've already done all this. So right now we would have to scroll down and click on next. This section is where you're going to paste your API key and your secret key. Now let's go over to Binance. Now this is the first thing we are going to copy, the API key, and we would have to paste the API key in the first section right here. Then let's go over to Binance and copy the secret key. Now we would have to paste the secret key in the second section right here. Now once you've pasted both the API key and the secret key, I would go ahead and submit this. As you can see, my key has been connected successfully. As you can see clearly, my API key has been added to Mudrex. Now this is the API key we just created, the new Mudrex. It is active right now. So for me to invest in a strategy, I would have to connect this newly created API key to the strategy we want to use in this video. Now let's go over to the VET maximizer. For us to start, we would have to scroll down and we would have to allocate funds with this strategy. I would have to click on this drop down. You know, we created new Mudrex just now in this video. So I would have to click on this. I can go ahead and allocate funds right here. This is how you're going to allocate your funds from your Binance exchange to Mudrex. You need to know that your funds will not leave the Binance exchange. This strategy is going to trade only the funds you allocated to it. Right now, you see that I have 0 USDT present in my futures wallet. What I will do now is that I would have to head over to Binance and transfer funds from my spot wallet to my futures wallet so that I can be able to invest in this strategy. So this is one way you can invest in a strategy on Mudrex. Right now, I am going to show you the second way you can invest in a strategy on Mudrex. This is the easiest way for those who are not comfortable with connecting their API keys to Mudrex. So what you would have to do right now is to click on the portfolio once more and go over to the wallet section. This is the wallet section of Mudrex. Now let's scroll down. You can easily deposit all these assets to your Mudrex platform. If you scroll up, you would see that this Mudrex wallet is powered by Binance. When you sign up, Mudrex will create an account and manage this account for you. Also, you can see here that this is 100% safe and completely under your control. What this means is that when you are sending your assets from your Binance exchange to this Mudrex wallet, it is as if you are making an internal transfer from two various Binance wallets. Let's say I want to deposit USDT. I will click on deposit. I won't have to pay fees when I make this transaction since it's an internal transaction for me. So that's a very good thing I noticed when I was using this Mudrex wallet. Mudrex has simply made it very easy for you. Once you've successfully deposited the asset you want to trade, you can go ahead and invest in a strategy. Currently, you would see that I have 150 USDT present in this wallet. So I would scroll up. This is my spot wallet right here. Since the strategy I'm using is my futures wallet, what I would do is transfer. I would click on this and I would transfer my USDT from my spot wallet to my futures wallet in order to use the VET maximizer. As you can see, my transfer has been successful. My 150 USDT is present in this wallet. I can go back to the VET maximizer strategy. Now let's scroll down, allocate funds. So right now, let's select the account we want to use. Since I'm using the Mudrex wallet, I would go ahead and select Mudrex futures. So I would click on this and allocate funds. As you can see that my 150 USDT is present for me to invest in this strategy. Right now, I would go ahead and allocate funds to this strategy. As you can see that it is requesting a fee of $3.17 for a $150 investment. you would see that this strategy is under Mudrex Protect. What this means is that if you don't make profit over a month, the amount I used to pay for fees, that is this $3.17, would be refunded to me at the end of the month. So click on pay now. It is allocating funds. As you can see, I have invested successfully in this strategy. And also, let me show you how exactly you are going to fund your wallet in order to pay fees. So you would scroll up, click on your profile icon, scroll down to payments and click on this. Now this is my wallet and this is where fees are taken from. If you want to deposit into this wallet in order to pay fees on the strategies you want to invest in, you would have to click on this deposit right here. Select the amount you want to deposit, click on this pick a payment method. You can select different payment method you would like to use. If you use my link in the description of this video, you would get a $25 bonus when you sign up. Your $25 bonus would be reflected in this payment section and you can use that money to pay fees when you are investing in a strategy on Mudrex. Currently, these are the strategies I'm invested in right now. The first strategy I invested in is the King ETH Binance and the second one is the VET Maximizer. I invested 150 USDT in this strategy. The reason why I am okay with this return is because during the last 47 days, ETH has gone down over 40% to the downside. As you can see that due to this strategy having a good risk management system, I am only down minus 3.58%. I really like this. It shows that there is less risk when investing in this strategy, and that's why it is good to invest in a higher performance score. If you have any questions so far about Mudrex, you can leave them in the comment section of this video and I would gladly answer all your questions. Now this is going to be it for this video. If you truly enjoyed this content, please leave a like and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I really appreciate it if you do. Now this is going to be it for this video and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.